Good Friday morning, family. Today is August the 9th, and this is Native Simply Me Journey. I'm coming to show you guys some of the updates that I have been working on this week in the cabin. The cabin, my walls was so marked up and scarred up, so I painted the whole cabin. I didn't do the ceiling, on the top, and I also did something else. So I had like scar marked the walls back here. It was horrible back here behind the chair, and just everywhere that the cabin needed to be updated. Had the paint job, just it was just looking bad. My guess is that only one layer of paint went on here. And y'all, this is my Himalaya light that help filter the air in here and help keeps the sinus down, congestion for me down. And okay, and also what I did also, I just updated my paper shades. I took the old ones down and put new ones up just this morning. And the back window had a black paper shade, and I went ahead and changed that and put it gray as well. It's a lot of light, and I like it because it lights up the cabin. I don't like a lot of dark stuff in here at all. So I did that. So all the walls are painted. All the walls are painted. And it took me 2 days to paint it. Last week I stained. I did the wood. I stained and put some more polyurethane on the wood trimmings and stuff last week. And Tuesday and Wednesday I did my painting. I didn't do anything to the bathroom. The bathroom is not in bad shape at all. So this is what I was doing. I did the stain to the window frames, stain to the and polyurethane. I didn't stain these only the windows. Something about only stained the windows, and I did the countertop and put polyurethane on the countertop as well as the windows. See how shiny they are now, and put new window shades up everywhere. And yeah, it was past due. Like I say, just so many markers on. I'm getting rid of this thing here, and I'm gonna get rid of that thing there. I'm tired of it. It looks horrible. So I'm looking for me a taller, or something that's gonna sit just below the TV, and maybe I can put some things on it. I don't want it to come out too far out from the wall. My measurement's 15 inches from the wall. It can be like 45 as in height and could be about 39 width. So I'm looking for a dresser drawer to put my clothes in. And like I said, I'm going to get rid of this here. The reason why I'm getting rid of this thing here, because it's so far out from the wall, from here to there, that it's blocking my air from coming to the room back here like it needs to. I get cool air, feels cool sometimes, but there's time that it just feels like it's not enough air. So this got to go. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's got to go, and that's fine. But I'm looking for and for here, I am looking for a taller dresser for here as well, because I do have more clothes than I really realized. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something real quick. This is it. So I can take this little plastic thing out, and I'm gonna put that in storage and use this here for stuff in my storage outside, because I'm getting ready to order a new storage system. A shed. It's gonna be a utility shed. And so I buy clothes, but I had to upgrade my wardrobe. I really did, y'all, because the clothes I had that I was wearing before I retired was just work clothes, and they was just, wasn't really that hot looking. So it was about time to get rid of that. So yeah, paint all my walls. Now one of my pictures I didn't put up there. I don't know, I had a hard time nailing it, but I got this one here up. I got the other two up. So yeah, I did a little updating. And also, family, you all notice something? The matching nightstand to the bed is gone. I put that in the car. I'm taking that to the storage in town. And I put this here because I like to have space. I like to be able to go over here. Now, I can't go over here yet like I want to, but it is where I can't pull away from the wall. So what I'm going to do, once I get rid of this thing here and get a smaller dresser, then I'll be able to go on the other side of the bed and make my bed, because I'm going to pull this over a little bit more because I like to have that space. So yes, I got the matching nightstand. It's in the car going in town storage because I just like to have space. I don't like a lot of clutter stuff. This is just there for temporarily till I find a spot for it. And I'm gonna always have my clothes basket here. I'm always have a clothes basket. There's no room for my clothes basket in the bathroom, so my clothes basket is gonna be here. Now, if I find another stand where I can stick the, which I can put the clothes basket in there, but I take all the other stuff out. Yes, I've done it before. So when I do get the other dresser, it's not actually, it's going to be a dresser. I'm just going to roll and fold my clothes in it, even my dresses, because I don't have a lot of dresses that I wear now like I used to. Now, I'm just going to roll and fold. And okay, let me show you something else I found. I found this magnetic drapery rod, and this is going to change. I'm probably going to get a different color one, and this is just something I was throwing over the window. I use that curtain for the car, but it's a great blackout curtain for at night when I close that out. And right now, I just took this out on the sewing kit, little rubber thing. Just took that sewing kit and tied it up because to close that out, it won't give me the light that I want to have inside. And y'all, look at my money plant. It is really doing well. My money plant is doing well. And y'all, this thing here, I use that. Sometimes I use the stand on top of it to sit down, and basically that's for my shoe storage. You don't see shoes on the floor; they up in there, you know. And I use my little magnetic thing to hold my. That's my cap that I go out. My hat I use when I go out and work in the yard. It's a sun cooling cap or whatever. And my sweet potatoes list is doing good. I'm going to get this one to my niece. I told her she can have that one right there. So she'll get it next week when she get back in town. Carrots. I have put some sweet potato slits in the ground. And y'all, I'm really having a hard time growing sweet potatoes. I don't know what it is. I'm wanting to eventually try to get my soil tested to see what is needed. Everything else is growing the sweet. Well, this time I put the sweet potato in the growing bag. I'm going to trash those growing bags because I just don't trust them because they had that old algae around the side of them. I don't know if that has something to do with my sweet potatoes not growing like they should have. I'm going to trash those bags. I'm not going to use them again because I'm just don't trust it, I guess. The plants look good and healthy and all that, but it should have produced some sweet potato. I mean, I had all those beautiful flower plants leaves on the white and red sweet potatoes, and they didn't produce anything. They produced much of nothing. All right, family, this is Natty Simply Me Journey. Just wanted to come and show y'all the updates that I'm doing to the cabin after a year and a half being in here. I changed out my paper shades. I add this curtain rod, draper curtain rod there. I'm going to change the curtain out, but it will be a blackout. Put paper shades all over the cabin, each window, 5 windows. The back window had a black paper shade. I really like I like the black because it block out pretty good, but I really like that too because it gives me more light in here. So, and I stained my window frames on each window and the door just to kind of update and make it, because there was just so many scars on the wall that it was driving me crazy. And just, so this is just after a year and a half living in here. I repainted the walls and I stained the window frames and all the wood trimming except what's in the ceiling. I didn't mess with the ceiling first, didn't paint either because it didn't need it to me. In the bathroom, doesn't need painting in there either, so I'm not going to spend any time in there. But I have a project coming up soon, a yard project. Y'all stay tuned. I make my notes. Yeah, I make my notes on my door there, so my refrigerator thing, so I won't forget stuff. But I have more projects coming up soon that's going to be in the yard. I'm hoping that I can get my patio built soon. I'm looking to have that done, but I don't know when it's going to happen. But I'm getting prepared for it. So when come time for my brother to be able to get the time out to come and build me a patio, a front porch, whatever you want to call a front porch, when he come to build me one, I'll have all my stuff out of his way. Because I got to take those pads down, those, my the sidewalk pads, walkway pads, and those limestone, that stuff has to come up. And I may do something different here. I may do something different, but a lot of this stuff is going to have to come up because I'm going to have a 12x6 porch added on. And yeah, I'm going to change some stuff out here. That's why I got that wheelbarrow, got that dirt. I'm going to take that dirt and we're going to build it up here with the dirt. Yep. Let's step outside for a second. I have my PJs on. That's why you guys don't see me